What's up, world? Welcome back to Radical Investors, where we talk about stocks, crypto, NFTs, and all the ways how to get to the money. I'm Wasu.
I'm Hamed.
And today we're talking about the triumphant merger of Rumble and the SPAC company. Guys, 40% in one day. Let's talk about it, man. Let's take our victory lap.
Let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time at Radical Investors, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Guys, we're here talking about free thought, free investments, radical investments, in making investments outside of the norm, not listening to the noise. If that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.
That's right. And our target is quantum gains, which is a 10x return on your money, whether it takes a year, 10 years, whatever. 10x is our target.
Yes, sir. So we told you about Rumble a couple of days ago. We are making weeks ago, right?
Weeks now, yeah.
We were making daily videos on this particular company because it's so interesting to us philosophically, and we think it's a fantastic investment opportunity. The merge went through.
Yeah, it's official.
Yeah,
the merge went through today. It's official. Rumble is now RUM on the stock market, RUM, so it's no longer CFVI. Remember, this started off as a SPAC, and it's now merged with its company, Rumble, and the ticker symbol is RUM.
What happened today?
Yeah, great news, man. It went up 40% today.
40%.
40% in one day in a bear season.
So if you guys are paying attention, right, and you're subscribed and you're getting you hit that notification bell, you would have gotten the signal that we put out. 40% in the middle of bear season. If you take a look at the rest of the markets, crypto and stocks.
What else is doing that? Yeah.
Outside of our other call, Luna Classic, all the stocks is all red. It's all a bloodbath. But we're doing fantastic in finding these gems of companies. And again, it makes perfect sense when you align your philosophical practices along with your investment practices. Only magic happens, and that's what we have here.
Yeah, that's what we have here, and that's what we want to identify for you guys to take a look at. We're not financial advisors. But yeah, so Rumble, so currently at end of the day, their market value is at $640 million, right? Which is, I mean, it's not even, if you look at it compared to its other comparables, if you look at YouTube is a 321 billion juggernaut. All right, they are massive. They are the dominators in this space. But if Rumble can simply get at least 2% of YouTube's market share, 2%, guys, we're looking at a 10x play from where it is currently, which is insane if you really think about it, of just the potential. So they almost,
and that 2% of market share is totally achievable. Especially right now, where you can see content creators from Jivion to a lot of top tier content creators are having issues with YouTube. Major guys that are way bigger than us. And that's because, YouTube is a corporate company now, right? So they have corporate structure. Everything that they do is safe. Right.
Yeah.
They
have to err on the side of caution.
Absolutely.
It is for YouTube.
So they are no longer the next up and coming content creator that's pushing, that's edgy, that's doing anything crazy. Think of like what Jake Paul was doing back in like 2012 or 2013. All this stuff is not going to happen on YouTube. A lot of that stuff doesn't happen on YouTube already. A lot of that stuff happens on TikTok. But for long form content, there is an opportunity there to take on that mantle. And then you start talking about the free speech community and people that are looking for platforms where they know they won't get deplatformed off of cancel culture and all that other stuff. You can very easily see how they can achieve that 2%. I think 2% is even light, so that's almost a guarantee. Nothing in life is guaranteed, but you can very easily see how they can gain that market share.
I only mentioned that just to hit that 10x minimum for our cause, and it is completely doable, and it's awesome too, because where you look at Rumble, they're at a life cycle. They're at an early adopter. Like, I mean, they've been out for years, but I would almost say in previous years, it's been more of a A/B testing platform. You know, now with them going public and having more resources to bring in new influencers or to just build up their infrastructure and to just make the platform even more better and more user friendly. Now is that time for them to really get those early adopters. You know, like ourselves, we will be setting up our Radical Investors page there too, because we want to get the word out on all platforms, right? We are platform agnostic. That is our goals as individuals with this brand. So yeah, huge opportunities there, and it's going to be interesting just to see these next few months how things take off. The media was loving this story, by the way, today. Everybody was talking about it. It was on every single channel. So
I know Fox News is talking
right. I'm sure Fox News they were. But it's interesting because it's like, here we are, you know, we brought you guys this play like almost a month ago, basically. It was still hovering around just a little bit over $10, which is the SPAC floor. And it's like nobody still knew about it, right? It's like today was its real coming out party where we've seen this huge upside. And normally with SPACs, when a SPAC merges, this isn't what happens, right? It's like everybody already knows about the SPAC. It's when the SPAC is announced or when the SPAC announces the company that they want to merge with. That's when you see this type of uptick. So it really goes to show that, you know, we made a great call on this one. We think we're going to definitely pat ourselves on the back on that. But also you guys did too by listening to this information.
The journey's
just begun.
So you can take, if you listen to the call, you can take your rewards right now,
right?
Or you can decide to hold on and see where it goes. Obviously, we tend to be more longer term investors and shorter term investors,
right?
And we think there's a narrative here that we want to see how this plays out. At the very least, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button on YouTube. Make sure you go support us on Rumble as well.
We'll have the links down below.
And we are here, guys, giving you these amazing calls. You know, in the season like this where there's blood everywhere, there's not too many great stories. Make sure if you got into Rumble, make sure you give yourself a pat on the back. Make sure you give yourself drink a cerveza or whatever. Enjoy yourself, because these wins, small wins, 2x, 5x, 10x, whatever. These are things in a bear season that you really do want to celebrate.
Yeah, great confirmations that you're on your path to victory when you see these types of wins. Definitely celebrate.
Definitely. Guys, as always, happy hunting. Catch you on the next one.
Peace.